What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for NEO with the ticker symbol NIO. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So every Friday I try to look at BABA and NEO. So if you guys haven't seen BABA, make sure you guys check out BABA first and then come look at NEO. So NEO, since last week Friday, when was the last time I looked at it? You can see that price closed right around that 678 level, and then it traveled a little bit more higher on Monday, and then the rest of the week has been trading right around the low sixes. So let's go over what has happened and what most likely can occur in the future. Well, NEO did make two large legs up, so a correction was due. This is one leg right here. This is the second leg up. Target was right around that $7 level. Price met and exceeded it by a slight amount. Also, it came back to this breakout point right over here. This was the prior breakout point. This was prior support. Price broke through it, and then now price came back to test it on the opposite end for resistance. So it's holding as resistance as of right now. However, price is testing this level as support that it broke through. This was prior resistance right over here. Price broke through. Now it's testing it on the opposite end for support. So let's see if this can hold. Also, price was able to push through this downward trend line. It looks like it's holding on the opposite end as well. So that's another bullish sign as well. So there's a good chance that NEO's trend line could be maybe a little bit more slanted, maybe something like that. That still kind of works. Not the best fitting trend line. We can go and erase these legs right here. This is technically one large leg up right here. So wherever this correction ends could be the start of the second leg up. So just waiting for this correction to end. Overall, this is still bullish territory. It would be bearish if price would get back over here, but since it's staying above that $6 level and this downward sloping trend line right over here, then this is still bullish territory, and we can still see further upside from there. For right now, I'm going to erase this trend line. It's not really holding price that well. There's a good chance that we see maybe a bounce up and possibly another drop. If it holds, we'll probably see a strong rally take place. I don't think price is just going to bounce off this level and rally. That's less likely to occur. Expect some sort of complex correction instead of a simple pullback. Instead of just a simple pullback and a rally, I'm expecting maybe a pullback, small rally, another pullback, and then possibly a rally from there. Something like that. So as long as we stay above the $6 level, I would be expecting higher prices. If we break it, it's not the end of the world, but that's not a sign you want to see. You want to see price maintain support levels. So you don't want to see it break support levels. Just like over here, you see it maintaining support. So you want to see price maintain support as well. So that's all I have on the daily chart for NEO. Overall, still bullish, but we need to see price maintain support. Here's a look at the weekly chart. You can see the price pulled back to that downward sloping trend line. Looks like it's testing it in the opposite side for support and that horizontal level at the $6 level. Let's see if we can find a rally off of this level and break above that $7 level. Once we do, there's a lot of room to the upside, strong potential for large gains over here. There's not a lot of resistance around this area right over here. There's a lot of resistance at these lower price levels. So we'll see if it can push through. If it pushes through, there's a good chance for much more higher prices in the future. So all I have looking at NEO on the daily weekly charts. Not much else to say, and I'll save you guys an update next week Friday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.